Hey there, welcome to our video on how to relink lost media. So you've just finished your shoot in your latest video project and you're ready to start editing. And when you try to import your footage into your editing software, you see that some of the media is missing. Don't worry, this happens to the best of us. The good news is, you can easily relink lost media with just a few clicks. In this video, we'll show you how. So let's get started with relinking lost media. The first step is to locate the missing files on your computer. Once you've found the missing files, you can simply drag and drop them back into your editing software. If the files' names or locations have changed, you need to relink them manually. And that's it. With just a few clicks you can relink lost media and get back to editing your project. We hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about video editing, be sure to check out our blog post on the basics of video editing, where you can also download our free ebook on the website. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more video editing tips and tutorials.